To enable the S Pen to text feature and use it with your S Pen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features and then tap S Pen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu through the Air Command menu. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the Air Command menu. And then tap the setting icon. To enable S Pen to text feature, tap the gray on off switch next to S Pen to text. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. If needed, you can change the setting of this feature. To do so, tap S Pen to text. To see how you can do editing with your S Pen, tap How to Edit button. Here you can see a pop-up contains with some explanation on how to erase some text, insert or remove space between letters, and insert a letter between words. To close the pop-up, tap the X icon on the pop-up. Here you can also enable the option to show writing toolbar while you are using S Pen to text feature. To do so, tap the gray on off switch next to show writing toolbar to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see how this feature works, go to a screen where you can type something. As the example, we will use this feature while searching something in the Google search. Next, open Google search. Write something in the search field with your S Pen. You can see that your handwriting will be converted to text. As we have seen before, we can also edit the text with the S Pen. As the example, we can insert a space between letters like this, or delete some text like this. Here you can see the writing toolbar is shown in your screen. The writing toolbar consists with some icons that will help you to write easily, such as the emoji icon and the icon to change your keyboard language and else. As a note, you can use this feature in the search field, address bar, and other text areas. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.